words you we learn with O की मात्रा? O की मात्रा पढ़ो.
तोता, कोयल, कोयल, मोर,
तोता, कोयल, मोर,
टोकरी, घोड़ा,
टोकरी, घोड़ा. One more is there. Hat. हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Hat.
टोपी.
टोपी. Very good. Very good. Now, ब्रह्मदत्त बताओ. Which all word you learn? ब्रह्मदत्त with O की मात्रा. Hat का हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ो. Hat.
टोपी.
टोपी. Basket.
टोकरी.
टोकरी. Parrot.
तोता.
तोता. Peacock.
मोर.
More. Horse.
घोड़ा.
Khoda. Okay. What is the word for coil? Coil means who? Coil.
कुक्कू.
Coil. Cuckoo. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now, Auki Matra. Hadlin, after we started Auki Matra words, which all words we learn? Au.
कौवा.
Very good. Kauwa. कौन है कौवा?
crow.
Next. Plant हिंदी word. Plant.
पौधा.
पौधा. Stool.
चौकी.
Season.
मौसम.
Towel.
तौलिया.
Crow.
कौवा.
Boat.
नौका.
Very good. Very good. Ahmad Kayan. Unmute. Season.
Yes,
what is the word for season?
मौसम.
Towel.
तौलिया.
Boat.
नौका.
Crow.
कौवा.
Plant.
पौधा.
Stool.
चौकी.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now Ayush, unmute. Ayush. Cuckoo. What is the Hindi word? Cuckoo.
कोयल.
Parrot.
तोता.
Crow.
What?
Crow.
कौवा.
Stool.
तौलिया.
तौलिया. Stool.
No.
तौलिया में हम बैठ सकते हैं. तौलिया क्या है? तौलिया. What meaning we learn? Towel. तौलिया. तो स्टूल मीन्स क्या है? कौन सा वर्ड है स्टूल के लिए? चौकी. चौकी.
चौकी.
Okay. What is the word for boat?
नौका.
नौका. Okay. Very good. देवानंदन बताओ. हम अंकी मात्रा वर्ड्स पढ़ा. लास्ट क्लास में रिविजन नहीं किया. Did you know that अंकी मात्रा? Which all words we learn? That today we are going to.
बंदर.
बंदर. मंगी. बंदर means who?
कंगा.
क्या है कंगा?
comb.
comb. फैन हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? फैन. पढ़ा आपने? ऑरेंज का हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ा. फैन का हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ा. याद है? भूल गए ये सब? Who know? Yeah, शिवराग is telling. क्या है फैन का हिंदी वर्ड? शिवराग. पेज देवानंदन.
संतरा.
संतरा. Okay, very good. संतरा. फैन.
संतरा.
पंखा. पंखा. पंखा means क्या है? Fan. So everybody studied O and Au. Today we are going to revise Anki Matra. Some forget some words. So we will write and study that. Okay. Before that I will write all these words. Okay. Can we? Okay. Okay. So all should take your rough book. Everyone. Ready with your rough book? We will write. After it, I will take a test. Okay. After I will take a test. First, I will write all the Oki Matra words here. Oki Matra and the Auki Matra. No need to write, okay? We can read one time. Then we can start next word. Okay. First word क्या है? टोपी. Oki Matra में हमने टोपी पढ़ा. टोकरी पढ़ा. Read टोकरी. मोर,
टोकरी मोर,
तोता,
तोता,
कोयल,
कोयल,
नेक्स्ट घोड़ा, घोड़ा, ओके। क्या है? ओ की मात्रा, ये है ओ की मात्रा वर्ड्स। नेक्स्ट वी लर्न औ।
नौका,
औ की मात्रा में
नौका,
पौधा,
तौलिया,
पौधा, तौलिया, नेक्स्ट तौलिया। और क्या है?
कौआ,
कौआ, चौकी,
चौकी,
चौकी, पौधा, नौगा, कौआ, तौलिया, चौकी। द लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? मौसम,
मौसम,
मौसम, सीजन, ओके। ऑल शुड रीड। टोपी, no need to write, no need to write, read after me. टोपी,
टोपी,
टोकरी,
टोकरी,
मोर, तोता,
तोता,
कोयल,
कोयल, घोड़ा,
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 औ, नौका, चौकी, मौसम, okay. Now we are going to write Anki Matra. This all we revised in the last class. Now we are going to write Anki Matra. Ang क्या है?
पतंग,
ये वो लेटर के ऊपर अंग लगाएंगे, ओके। पहला वर्ड कंगा. What you have to write? You have to write and study 5 times this. कंका means क्या है? Comb. Okay, 3 times. You write it 3 times. Kanka, comb. Kanga. Everybody should read and write. Kanga, comb. All take your book, write and write. Start writing. Kanga, comb. After I will make you to read. Kanga. First word क्या है? Kanga. का पे अंग. That you have to listen. अंग की मात्रा मत भूलो. You have to write that. अंग, कंग, कंका, comb. उसके बाद हम पतंग लिखेंगे. पतंग. पतंग means kite. पतंग, kite. कंगा, comb. पतंग, kite. Kite. कंगा, comb, पतंग, kite. पंखा. पंगा. क्या है पंगा? फैन. पंगा. पंगा. कंगा को संतरा. 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 ऑरेंज. ऑरेंज. संतरा, ऑरेंज. संतरा के बाद झंडा. भूल गई. क्या है झंडा? फ्लैग. झंडा, फ्लैग. लास्ट वर्ड बंदर. हु इज बंदर?
मंकी,
बंदर, मंकी. This much be completed. Kanka, comb. Patang, kite. Panka, fan. Santra, orange. Jhanda. Read and write. Those who are writing, Mayuga, you should read. Everybody should read and write.
कंगा, 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 फैन, फैन, कंगा, फैन, कंगा, कंगा, फैन, संतरा, ऑरेंज, संतरा,
संतरा, ऑरेंज.
Samudra.
Samudra.
Antara. Samudra. Orange. Samudra.
पंखा फैन, संतरा ऑरेंज, झंडा फ्लैग, बंदर, कौन है बंदर? मंकी,
Panda.
कंगा,
Flag. Panda.
Flag.
Panda. Flag.
Samudra.
completed children?
Panda. No.
No, ma'am.
No, Chucky. Panda.
Bandar.
Orange.
संतरा ऑरेंज, झंडा फ्लैग. Those who are writing very slow, you should write it now 3 times. After the class you complete it 3 more time. Okay, at least study the spelling. संतरा, झंडा. You have to listen that पतंग में ता पे अंग, पा पंखा, पा पे अंग जोड़े, सा के ऊपर संग, जंग, बंग बंदर. Listen and write. Mayuga Srinish, can you read Mayuga? अंकी मात्रा word पढ़ो. Read. पंखा.
Panga.
पहला वर्ड क्या है? का और पा. कंघा.
Panga. Danda.
Wait. Those who are reading, please wait. Mayuga is reading. Mayuga read कंघा.
Panga.
Next word.
Patang.
पतंग. Next word. पंगा. Mayuga, what you doing? You read fast.
Ma'am,
संतरा.
Janda.
झंडा.
Bandar.
बंदर.
Devanandar read.
Devananda read then.
Panga. Ko. Patang. Kai. Panga. Fan. Sandra. Orange. Janda. Flag. Shivarag read.
Brinda, read Brinda. Unmute Brinda. Unmute and read.
Ma'am, Shivarag read.
Shivrag read. I don't know what she is doing. Brinda. Read Shivrag. Kang.
Panda. Kong. Padang. Kite. Panga. Fan. Sandara. Orange. Janda. Flag.
Bandar.
Mangi.
Yeah. Sri Bala read. Sri Bala Vibin read. Kanga.
Comb.
Next.
Padang. Kite. Panga. Fan.
Fan.
Sandra. Orange. Janda. Flag.
Janda flag. Next word.
Bandar.
Bandar.
Mangi.
Monkey. Okay, very good. Ellen, Mia, read. Panga.
Yes, ma'am.
Read Panga.
Panda, comb, padang, kite, panda, fan, Chandra, orange, gender, flag, bandar, monkey.
Okay. Now listen, children. Now we study till Anki Matra. So we have to do this. I think everybody completed this. Till here, everybody completed.
Yes.
Yes. Anki Matra all completed. Now we are going to write A से अंकी A से अं तक मात्रा. Okay. A से अंग तक मात्रा जोड़कर लिखना. अंग. हाँ. A से अं तक के मात्रा जोड़कर लिखना. You have to write this. Ka. We have to add all the matra with this. Ka that we learn now. Ki. Ku. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kang. Complete this. One time is enough. Practice it the next. Ma. Mi. Mu. Read and write. Me. Me. Mom. Same way, write ta. La. Complete it. La. Right, read and write ka, ki, ku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam. One time is enough, okay? Mu, re, me, mai, mo, mum. You have to write all the matra. I, u, r. Add with the Anjanakshar. आ से अंत तक जोड़कर लिखो. अंत तक मात्रा जोड़कर लिखो. Ta, ti, लिखो वो ta. Ta. Ti. Listen this: te, tai, to, tau, tab, o, au, a, I, o, au, Listen and write that. Okay. All the matra you added or not? A, I, o, au,
Lily,
La, la,
T, Lulu, T, tu, le, lai, lo, te,
completed.
lu, tai, lo, to, tau. Ma'am, finish.
Those who finish, please read the word o, au, words you read and study. I will take a test now. It is written exam. Okay, you have to write that. The next by evening, I will send a link that you have to do evening. Okay. Now you can do this. I will give a small test. Give a small test. Read and study those who completed.
La.
Complete it fast, children. 2 more minutes after I will give the questions.
La. Li. Li. Lu. Lu. La. Le. Lai.
Completed, children? It all completed?
Yes.
This you can do after the class, okay? It's okay, this one, you note it, copy the question and complete that after the class. Now you understood now how to write this? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, all are ready? Can I take a test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all should take your rough book, a fresh page, new page, okay? Yeah. Right. Revision test 2. Revision test 2. Written exam. Okay, second revision test. First question, this question no need to write. Hindi shabd likho. Write the Hindi word. Hindi. No need to copy this question. You should read the question Hindi shabd likho. Write the Hindi word. Some English word I will give. You have to write its Hindi word. Okay. The first one, write the Hindi word of hat. The second one, write the Hindi word of kite. Question number 3, write the Hindi word of stool. Stool. Second question, pura karo. Complete the sentence. Complete the word. Pura karo. Question number 4, dash tara. Dash yell. Question number 3, आ से अंत तक के मात्रा जोड़कर, अंत तक मात्रा जोड़कर लिखो. मात्रा जोड़कर लिखो. जोड़कर लिखो. You don't want to write this question, but sixth question, this one. Na, you have to write na continue till ang. na, na, ni, nu, nu, like, okay? That's enough. Complete it. To find this word, now we studied dash tra, dash yell. I will not give option. Now I given this option, find it. Do. Without option, you have to study how to write the answer, okay? The written exam, there will be no options. If you have any doubt, you can ask. जल्दी. Hat का हिंदी word, kite हिंदी word क्या है? Stool हिंदी word क्या है? Then पूरा करो. Complete the word. Dash tra, dash yell. आ से अंग तक. Na, ni, like till num. Completed.
Finish.
Yeah, wait.
Finish.
Satvik, wait. Others are completing. Children, 2 more minutes. All should complete. Okay. Safania, you joined late. We revised the Anki Batra words after we completed art. Yeah, we started revision test. Which one you know you can write, okay? And this complete write and study Anki Matra words and na, ni, like a to ang matra jod kar likho, okay? Kha, ka, ki, ku, and all we studied now. That also you have to revise.
Okay.
Oh, and Anki Matra last class we completed revision.
Finish.
Ah. 1 more minute. After I will write the answers on the board. Everybody should complete it. 1 more minute I will give. Completed?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Completed.
Okay. Then can we discuss the answer? Check your answer. Is it correct or not? Okay, children. Okay. First, write the Hindi word of hat.
Topi.
Children, stop writing. Completed. Everyone. What is the answer for hat?
Topi.
Topi. Check your spelling and all correct or not. Topi. Ta plus O. O ki matra. Pa badi ki matra. Kite. What is the word kite? Patang. Pa ta pe ang ki matra और ग पतंग. Patang. Question number 3. Stool. What is the Hindi word for stool?
Chauki.
Cha.
Tauli.
Au की मात्रा word. Chauki.
Chauki. Chauki.
पूरा करो. Complete the word. Dash tara. Size. This is wrong. This is wrong. Santra. Santra. Orange. Santra. Option will not be there. You have to find the correct spelling. Okay. Santra. Then dash yell.
Koyal.
Go or cow wrong. Koyal. Koyal. A se anta ki matra. Did you completed this? Na. Ni.
Nu.
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 Ndra ki matra. Ndra.
Nu.
Ne.
No. No. No.
Check
No.
every answer is there or not. If it is there, you can give a tick mark. Okay. So 6 question will be there. 6 marks. 6 out of 6. Check your answer whether you completed. If one answer is wrong, you will lose 1 mark. Okay. Check your answer. 6 out of 6. Those who get, they can put a star. Okay. And children, evening time, I will send a link after 5:30, revision link. You have to do that. You have to attend that also. Okay. That is MCQ. You can do. Okay.
Full mark.
Yeah. I will ask. Completed everyone?
Ma'am, Sathi got full mark.
Okay. Correction over, no? Shivrag's correction over?
Yes. I got full mark.
Yeah. Now tell me who all get full mark. Mivami won't join
Ma'am,
late.
Sathi.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Sathi.
Network problem. Okay. We completed 1 written test. Okay. Okay. So, who all get Ahmad, Devanandan, Ayush, Sathi Krishna, Mayuga, Hadlin, Sri Bala, Johan. Very good. What about Ellen Via? What about others? Abhinav, what's your score? Abhinav, did you get the mark? 6 mark? Show me. It's not clear. Say, tell me. Unmute and say, you can say. Satvik, I saw your mark 6. Okay. So, okay, those who get below 6, please try to study the word. Okay, you have to study the spelling. Shivrag, what is your score? What's your mark? 5. One only wrong. Okay, it's okay. You have to write and study and try to get good mark in the exam. Okay, next exam. Okay. So the next class we will revise जानवरों के नाम, सब्जियों के नाम and रंगों के नाम. Okay, revision. The next class we will complete that जानवरों के नाम, सब्जियों के नाम, vegetables name and रंगों के नाम. All should read and come that words. Okay. I will take a test the same way. One more written test I will take. So everybody should prepare and come for that. Okay, children? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Which all wrong, you have to write and study. It's okay. Okay, no problem. You can write it. Okay. Bye. Dhanyavad. Bye.
Dhanyavad.